Push notifications are a powerful tool to keep your users informed and engaged, whether it's sending personalized updates, important announcements, or enticing offers. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to integrate Firebase push notifications into your mobile app, specifically if you have a premium subscription plan in Appilix. To connect Firebase, you will need a Firebase configuration file and your cloud messaging legacy server key, and both of them can be found on your Firebase app console. Let's quickly create a Firebase project for our app. As we are creating the Firebase project for our Android app, let's add Android in our Firebase project. To register the app, all the required information can be found from Appilix. Next, download the Firebase configuration file and skip all other steps. Now we need the cloud messaging legacy server key, which can be found from your Firebase project settings. Under Cloud Messaging tab, first we will have to enable the legacy API. To do this, open your Google Cloud Console and then click the Enable button. Once enabled, reload your Firebase project settings page and you should see the legacy server key. Let's now add both the server key and Firebase configuration file to Appilix. That's the end of our Firebase integration, and we are ready to build the app. Once the app building is done, we can now try installing the app on a device and test the push notification. Remember, if you already have the app installed, uninstall first before installing the new app. To send a push notification, navigate to the push notification menu and provide your notification information. Awesome, the notification has reached to our device successfully, and these were the simple steps you can follow to enable push notification in your app.